In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Afterpay at the store. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. As you might be aware, the Afterpay Buy Now Pay Later service allows you to browse through various online stores and retailers to make purchases now and manage them in different installment plans. Now, it is possible for you to use it in-store, so instead of doing it online, you will be able to physically go to a store and use Afterpay as the payment method. To set this up, you will have to acquire an Afterpay card. You can only do this if you set up your account with an Afterpay card. So once this process is done, you sign up to use the Afterpay card by choosing the menu at the bottom of the screen and setting it up. You will be able to switch over to the card or in-store tab, now regardless of how it's labeled. In that window, you will be able to assign the Afterpay card to a digital wallet, and this is the most important part. For you to use Afterpay in store, you have to assign the Afterpay card to a valid digital wallet, so Apple Pay, Google Pay, or Samsung Pay. Keep in mind as well that your device must have NFC capabilities because you will be making the payment with your actual phone by placing it near the card reader. So you do need to have this proximity feature enabled by turning on NFC on your device. Once you tap on the option to add your Afterpay card to a digital wallet, you will be redirected accordingly with all the information about the Afterpay card automatically filled out, and you can choose to use it as the default payment method on that specific wallet. So now just go to a store that accepts Afterpay or that accepts this specific card, proceed to checkout, and like I said, physically place your card near the card reader. Be aware of any possible fees and be aware of the payment schedule. As long as you chose the Afterpay card as the payment method, you will be good to go to make purchases in store. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Afterpay at the store. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.